Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to view all orders on Temu. And now let's dive right in. Now to view all of your orders in the Temu account, first open up the Temu app on your phone. And after opening Temu app guys, on this interface at the bottom of the screen you can see a bunch of options. Tap on the U button at the bottom of the screen or the bottom middle of the screen. And this kind of interface will appear where you can see the second option here. It says your orders. Tap on your orders, and over here you can see at the top of the screen we are currently on the all order section. And if you have ordered anything on the Temu, all of your orders will be available over here, including your processing, shipped, delivered, and returns. With that being said guys, let's go back to the all orders, and this is the place where you will be able to find all of your orders in Temu. And guys, this is how to view all orders on Temu account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.